This home is all about low maintenance and enjoying life, not having to look after the yard. Enjoy early morning walks, feed the ducks, take in the serenity. It is just such a peaceful place to be, gorgeous in the mornings, gorgeous in the afternoons. Positioned in a private street, a cul-de-sac, you don't get any drive-through traffic at all. A 4-bedroom home. Master bedroom offers an ensuite bathroom and a nice big walk-in robe. It's perfect for the family with the young kids, as you can take the kids to the Botanical Gardens just 160 metres from your front door, and they've got all of the parklands to enjoy. You don't need to maintain your own big backyard when you can let somebody else maintain the yard for the kids. So it's so ideal for families. Whether you're retired, you've got your own private block with a concrete hardstand beside the home, ideal for the caravan or the boat. All this, and we're just 2 kilometres from the Bundaberg CBD, 3 kilometres to hospitals, walking distance to schools, childcare, primary, high school. We've got everything at your doorstep. To organise your private viewing, give me a call today. I'd love to hear from you. Make this lifestyle your own.